Okay, so we're just going to look at adding and subtracting surds. Okay, now adding and subtracting surds just involve the collection of like terms. Surds are very similar, very similar to algebra, pretty much the same. So like if you have an A plus an A, then you have two lots of A, because A just represents an unknown number. So you have root 2 plus root 2, then you have two lots of root 2, which is 2 root 2. Same as if you had root 5 plus root 5 plus root 5, you would have three lots of root 5, which is 3 root 5. Okay, so I have 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7, and then I take away 3 root 7. So they're like terms. So 5 root 7s plus 2 root 7s is 7 lots of root 7. Take away 3 lots of root 7, which is 4 root 7. Now, but what happens if you add two surds together and they're not like? See how they're unlike? Okay? Okay, so root 8 is root 4 times root 2, which is 2 root 2. So first of all, what we do is we simplify the surds first, because if we simplify them, then there may be some like terms. So root 18 is root 9 times root 2, which is 3 root 2. So if you add 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2, then you add the numbers in front, which will give you 5 root 2. Okay, so root 27 plus root 18 plus 3 root 12 plus 5 root 98. Okay, let's do that one. So I'm just going to take them separately. So root 27, when we're trying to find something, divide by 2. No, divide by 3, you get 9. So it's root 9 times root 3, which is 3 root 3. Root 18. Okay, root 18, so that's 18. Let's divide it by 2, I get 9. So it's root 9 times root 2, so that one will be 3 root 2. That one's 3 root 3. 3 root 12 would be 3 times. Now 4 3s are 12. Notice I'm always writing the square part first. So that's 3 times 2 root 3, which is 6 root 3. Okay, and lastly, this one, 5 root 98 would be 5 times. Okay, so 98, let's divide it by 2. You get 49, so it's root 49 times root 2, which is 5 times 7 times root 2. 7 5s are 35 root 2. Okay, so there we go. So now we have 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2 plus 6 root 3 plus 35 root 2. So get the like terms. 3 root 3 and 6 root 3 is 9 root 3. So it's just like adding algebra. 3 root 2 plus 37 root 2. 35 root 2 is 37 root 2. And there's your solution. Okay, let's look at another one. Just simplify. Alright, so let's go. Root 32 plus 3 times root 75 minus 4 root 8, and I'm not going minus, let's go minus and go 2 root 48. Okay, let me simplify those then. Root 32, so it's easier sometimes just to divide by 2. Yay, we get 16, which is square. So it's root 16 times root 2, which is 4 root 2. 3 root 75, so let's go 75 divided by 2, no, 75 divided by 3 is 25. So it's 3 times root 25 times root 3, which is 3 times 5 root 3, which is 15 root 3. Okay, 4 root 8, so I've got that one and that one. 4 root 8 is 4 times root 4 times root 2, because 4 2s are 8, times 2, because root 4 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8, so that's 8 root 2. And then this one, 48, 2 root 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 48 divided by 3 is 3/16, and yes, that is the square number. So it's 2 times root 16 times root 3, 2 times 4 times root 3, which is 8 root 3. Okay, now putting it back into this, so we have root 32, which is 4 root 2, plus the next one, which is 15 root 3, minus 8 root 2, and minus 8 root 3. Okay, so let's get the like terms. 4 root 2 minus 8 root 2 is minus 4 root 2, because 4 minus 8 is minus 4. 15 root 3 minus 8 root 3 is plus 7 root 3, because 15 minus 8 is 7.